Easter surprise cookie hutch. Thought we'd add 2 surprise eggs to hide inside the hut so that when your little ones finish decorating, they smash it or they eat it all and then they get their surprises. Are you ready for Easter? Okay guys, here's what's in our kit. Let's open it up. It comes with really cute mini marshmallows, these awesome pastel Easter giant confettis, Easter toppers, and also jelly beans, speckled chocolate eggs, other little sprinkles, and this is the best part, surprise eggs. Love this. Check the little like springy. I love this little surprise. And then, of course, your cookies to build your hutch. That's the roof. This is the front of the house, front and the back of the house, and you get some extra goodies too. You get your white and your green icing and a cake board, piping bags, and you're all set. Let's make icing. Empty both white icing bags in a bowl. The quantity of water you'll be adding is a total of 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of water, half teaspoon of water, and then finally 1/4 teaspoon of water. Okay, so let's get started. Here's 1 tablespoon of water. Scoop that in. And then we're gonna mix, mix, mix. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of water. There we go. And we're gonna mix it well. And it's gonna feel dry and weird, but you just mix it until the water goes away. Now we're gonna go half a teaspoon of water. There we go, and we're just gonna mix, mix, mix. We're almost there, guys. Now we're gonna add our final. It's 1/4 teaspoon of water. And just this little bit will just make your icing perfect. The consistency is gonna be perfect. It's gonna be like the glue for your house, okay guys? Toothpaste consistency. But stiff enough to hold your house, but soft enough to squeeze out of a bag, okay? Put your piping bag in a cup or a tall mug and scoop your icing in your bag. There you go, we're set. Yay! Let's make green icing. You're gonna add a total of 2.5 teaspoons of water, okay? So this is my first teaspoon, stirring in between. This is my second teaspoon, stir again in between, making sure that it's all incorporated well. This is a half teaspoon of water. All right, this is a really pretty pastel, kind of a lime green, which you can use for flower stems, grass, and again, it's gonna be a toothpaste consistency. Strong enough to hold candies, but not too hard that's gonna break your hand when you pipe out. Okay, you're gonna put your piping bag into a tall mug or cup and then scoop your icing in, and you're good, white and green icing. Get your goodies all ready. And we're gonna start to assemble our house. This is the fun part, it's super easy. Snip your bags, and I suggest wrapping a rubber band, especially around the white bag, because then that will prevent any messes coming out the other way. Okay, you're gonna grab the sides of the house. The sides have the rectangle and they have a flower cutout. And you're basically just gonna squeeze the white icing on the 3 sides, like so. So here's on the left side, the bottom, and then the right side. Now you're gonna take the back of the house and you're just gonna take from the left corner down to the left corner on the bottom, just pipe a straight line down, pipe the bottom and then the right side as well, like so. Now you can glue it on one side to the front or the back of the house. And then you repeat it with the other side. I forgot to add glue on the bottom of the side, so let's do that. Now you're gonna add the front of the house. And you're just gonna draw a line straight up on both sides and then pipe some glue on the bottom. There you go. You can take your bag and squeeze in any empty kind of gaps in the house to just add some extra security. You're all set. The house is assembled. Don't forget to put your surprise eggs in the house. Okay, let's glue the roof. So I'm just gonna put the icing on the top slants of the house. So you're gonna just glide the icing and glide the icing on the other side. Then I'm just gonna grab 2 of the sprinkle roofs. Isn't that so cute? And I'm gonna just press it against the top of the house, adding slight pressure, just so that, not heavy, just slight pressure, just so that it sticks together. You can take your finger, swipe off any residuals that leaks off to the side. And then you finish it off and pipe on the middle of the house, of the roof, and you're done. That's it. Easy peasy. Let's get decorating. You can add an extra pattern on the roof, and what I do is I pipe from corner to corner, a straight line, and I continue that down and up, and then I go across. But I'm sure your little ones will come up with all kinds of creative ideas, but this is kind of adds a little fun pattern on the roof. Say cheese. Here's a quick way to decorate your egg cookie, and we like to make a little egg door out of it. There you go. Put some glue and stick it on. This is a quick and fun way to make flowers around your house using the mini marshmallows and the giant confetti sprinkles. Thank you for joining us on this awesome Easter adventure. And don't forget, there's a little surprise in the house. Do you see it? Peekaboo. Have fun on your Easter egg hunt, everybody. Until next time, bye.